Drowning in tasks and deadlines, let's break down Clickup, Monday.com, and Asana to find the project management platform that'll finally bring order to your chaos. First up, Clickup. The feature-packed titan its customizability is unmatched, allowing you to create unique workspaces, tailor task views from lists to Gantt charts, and set granular permissions. Clickup's strength lies in its versatility for teams, needing deep customization and advanced features like goal tracking and time management. Next, we have Monday.com. The visually intuitive powerhouse. Monday.com's colorful boards and drag-and-drop functionality make task management feel less like work. Its strength lies in its ease of onboarding new team members, with visually engaging workflows and with ready-made templates for almost any project. It's a fast track to productivity. Finally, Asana. The collaborative workhorse, with its clean interface and focus on task dependencies. Asana ensures everyone understands who's doing what and by when. It's excellent for teams prioritizing clarity, streamlined workflows, and cross-functional collaboration. So, which one reigns supreme? Clickup offers ultimate customization, Monday.com provides visual simplicity, and Asana champions structured collaboration. Consider your team's size, project complexity, and budget. Clickup is powerful, but has a steeper learning curve. Monday.com is user-friendly, but can get expensive as you scale. Asana strikes a balance, but may lack some advanced features. Ready to supercharge your productivity? Check the links below for free trials and dive deeper into each platform. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more project management tips.